Of
Academia.
course, it's gonna be that.
Okay. Alright. Well, the winner actually is...
Actually, is.
My Hero
Oh
Academia!
my gosh! Of course.
The winner is... Miss Kobayashi!
Oh, of course. What did I tell you, Twit?
And the winner is...
What? What?
Your name.
What? Made in Abyss.
Made in Abyss!
What? Okay, this is a bit hard. I don't know what I chose for
And the
best
winner
anime.
is...
My Hero Academia.
My And the winner...
Let me guess, Land of the Lustrous.
Land of the Lustrous.
Oh my gosh, I'm a freaking fortune teller. Please be Kobayashi.
The winner is...
Kobayashi.
Miss Kobayashi's...
Yeah! Choo-choo! Yeah! Choo-choo! Yeah! I bet it is. Okay, let's go. Told you. What? No, this isn't right. That's supposed to be a number one. Come on. You're supposed to be a number one. This is supposed to be number one, not number two. What is going on, people?
The best continuing series is...
What?
March comes in like a lion.
Say what?
Please welcome the nominees for the following category.
This boy.
Shoto Todoroki.
I mean, yay.
12.
Cool. I don't think it's fair how they have two of the same character from the same show.
Best boy is... Shoto Todoroki.
Who?
My Hero Academia.
Yeah.
Please welcome the nominees for the following category.
I don't think it's fair how they have two of the same characters from the same show.
The Crunchyroll mascot, everyone.
Wow, best girl.
She'll always be best girl to us, right?
Yeah.
Alright. And the winner is... Ochako Uraraka!
What about
Category. Stain. My Hero Academia.
Stain.
I mean, come on.
もう一度遠くへけど僕の中
Gosh darn! There's no way Hiraka is becoming the new Yuri on Ice.
Following category.
I don't get it. Why is Inuyashiki not on here? He's like in a show that's called Hero too, and he's a hero. Come on, he's not even in the nominations.
And the winner is...
Come on, we already know what
My
it is.
boy Izuku Deku Midoriya.
もう一度遠くへ
My gosh, if my hero wins for best of the year, I'm gonna flip out. Cause that's what Made in Abyss is for, people.
The following category.
Yeah, I need to watch that show. That show was so boring.
The award goes to... the ancient Magus Bride.
Wait. What could the best action be? It could be anything. I think my vote is going to go to Fate Apocrypha. The best action of 2017. Could it be, Fate Apocrypha?
My Hero Academia.
Oh, there's no way that could win.
My Hero Academia.
Gosh darn.
もう一度遠くへけ
I mean, come on, that's bad. Of course. Hiroyaka almost won every single category. Well, it pretty much won every single category it was in, so. Oh my gosh, finally a category where Hero is not in it. Best manga. I've never heard of any of these. Delicious in Dungeon? I bet this is gonna win because of the side boob. That's pretty much why it's gonna win.
My brother.
Well then. And the winner is...
What?
My lesbian experience with loneliness.
I told you it was the side boob. That's
Because my whole argument was that I wanted anime of the year to be something that you could comfortably recommend to everybody and know that they're gonna have a good time.
yeah, right.
もう一度
course, it's gonna be my hero. Duh. Win the best, no, don't lose nice in this.
Made in a bit.
Now we can wait until 2018 where Devilman Crybaby like rigs every category.